Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to delete saved chats on Snapchat. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Snapchat application and then head on to your chats. Okay, and then open a specific conversation and then press and hold the message that you have sent or the people or the person that have sent you a message, and then click on the delete option. Okay, you can see also the save in chat. Okay, just click on the delete and then click on OK, and then click on delete chat. Then right after that, that message will be deleted. Okay, so now for our second method, just click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. And then click on the gear icon, this one at the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll down until you see the account action, and then click on clear conversation. So here you will then just have to click on the X icon at the right side of your screen in order to clear a conversation, and then just click on clear. So right after that, that conversation will be deleted. Okay, so let's try checking on that on our chats. Okay, so let's go back to our chats. So as you can see, all of those messages or conversation has been deleted. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.